Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Firstly, log into your Binance. Go to Binance website and log in. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard and click on the deposit button to begin the process of receiving crypto. On the deposit page, select Solana from the drop-down menu. Choose the Solana network and copy the provided crypto address. Now, open your Phantom Wallet extension and unlock it by entering your password. Click Send, then select Solana as the asset you want to send. Pass the Binance crypto address to your copied in step 3 of the recipient address field. Enter the amount and you can click the toggle icon to view the amount in USD if preferred. Click Next, double check, and if everything correct, click Send. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.